Hello all and welcome back to my channel JS Lab. In this video we will discuss about missing values in R. It is very important in the aspect of data analysis. So we should know how to detect that missing values. So R has two different ways of representing missing data and understanding each one is very important. First one is NaN, NaN. This means that this is not a number, and that means there is a result but it cannot be represented in the computer. And the another one is NA, which means not available. Data is just missing due to unknown reasons. This appears at different times when working with R, and each has different implications. And NaN is different from NA. I'll show you with an example. So if you take SQ square root of -1, you will get NaN as a result because it is not a number. Square root of -1 is not a number, but NA means it's just missing from the data. For example, I will create a vector X of values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now if you print X, all the values will be printed. So I'll modify that vector, and here it is missing here NA. So if you print X, you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the place of 7 it is missing. I'll show the example with a data table also. For example, I have created a CSV file with two columns, name column and marks column. And you can see in the marks column the third one is missing. Here nothing is entered. Okay, so we'll first we will load that one. Okay. Actually I have deposited this one in the directory. First you need to set the working directory, then you need to put that CSV file there. Then we will use I'll put y is equal to read.csv, and the file name is, I given the file name as sample. Okay, sample. So sample.csv. It is in the working directory. I should save it in the working directory. So if I print y, you can see that in place of that third value it is not available. So that is, there's a difference between not a number and the number is missing. And in many cases not a number is also considered as not available case, but not available case will not be considered as a not a number case. We will see with an example. Take z is equal to a vector of 2, 3, 4, missing, square root of -2, 6, 7. Okay, I created this one and then produce. So if you print z, it will be like this: 2, 3, 4 not available, which is missing, and not a number. So whatever examples that we have discussed, these are small examples, only 8 vectors or 8 values or 7 values. But when you go for data analysis, there will be thousands and thousands of rows, so you cannot go that manually and check whether there is NA or NaN. For that we can use is.na. So first we will see in our table X. So first I will print the table X, print the X. So this is our X created. Okay, we will check is.na of X. So it will show false. It gives you a logical answer. Okay. So one is, there is no NA here, therefore it is false. But there is an missing case here in the second last one. So second last one is true. So second last one is missing. Now we will print the Y, second one. That is our CSV table of name and marks. It is also is.na of Y. There also you can see this one is a missing number, so here it is true. missing number. You can select that column also, is.na of the table y, and in that marks. So you can see here true. It is true. The third one is, so we are considering only the third column, and the second column marks, and in that the third entry is a missing number. So it is true. Now we have also created a z, that means a not a number case. So if you check is.nan of z, you can see the NaN value is taken as true. But you can see that the Na is not considered as NaN. That I have already told you. So we will see is.na of the same z. Sorry, is.na of z. So here we can see this Na and NaN is considered as Na. It is given true. But in NaN case, only NaN is considered as true. Na is not considered as not a number. So NaN is considered as Na, but Na is not considered as NaN. Now if you have any doubt in this one, you can go for, we can check what is Na. We'll go for the help Na. So it is not available or missing value. So you'll get the help, and you can see the syntax also is Na. Which elements are missing you can see, and the same way NaN. So you can see it represents finite, infinite, and NaN numbers. Okay, so is finite and is infinite is used to represent that one. For example, we'll take a vector A, create a vector A with 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I am putting 0 by 0, 0 by 0, and 0 divided by 0, and 8 divided by 0. Which is formed, we will print that one A. You can see this is not a number because division with 0, 0 by 0, and 8 by 0 is infinite, which represents infinite. So we'll see is.infinite of A. You can see the last one is an infinite, so it is represented by true, and we'll check if it is finite, finite, then yes, the last two are not finite because it is 0 by 0 and 8 by 0. All others are finite. 1, 2, 3, 4 are considered as finite. So here we have checked the is.nan also. So here also you can see this is not a number. 0 by 0 is considered as not a number, but 8 by 0 is considered as a number, but it's an infinite number. So in this video we have discussed about missing values in R, how to check missing values in R, how to check NA, how to check NaN, what is the difference between NA and NaN. So in the coming video I will discuss how to deal with this missing values. So you have missing value in your data, and you need to fill that one. You need to either remove that one or you need to fill that area. So how to do that one we will discuss in the next video. So if you have any doubts or comments, please comment in the comment section. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel for more videos. So we will see you in the next video. Bye. Thank you.